came from Bangkok city lights, seeking peace beneath the northern sky. A young Thai woman with a traveler's heart found Chiang Mai mountains calling her to start. Across the mist, through the winding trail, where the wind sings stories in a hilltop vale. There she met a Hmong young man, strong and kind, village chief's son with a mountain in his mind. Eyes like midnight, gentle as the dawn, a smile warmer than the sun upon the corn. He said, let me show you where my people roam. And in that moment her heart found a home. Oh, the highland breeze carried their hearts away, two worlds meeting on a golden day, walking side by side beneath the silver pine. Her hand in his, everything felt right. In the mountains of Chiang Mai, love came quietly. A Thai girl, a homeboy, bound by destiny. He led her through terraced fields of green, where the sky touched earth like a painted dream. Waterfalls whispered as they passed by, and she fell deeper with every sigh. She watched him laugh with freedom in his soul, felt her heart lose all control. Left her go pop chai nun chao mong san op bút chai hua na paoผู้พันกับคุณเขาดวงตาคมดังราตรีสุภาพรโยรอยยิ้มของเขาอบอุ่นยิ่งกว่าแสงตะวันเขาบอกว่าให้ผมพาไปดูบ้านเกิดผมเองและในวินาทีนั้นหัวใจของเธอเริ่มไหว Night fell soft with stars shining bright, lanterns glowing in the village lights, flute songs drifting through the peaceful air. She looked at him, love was already there.